Here are the top stories making headlines across Central Luzon. Pampanga Governor Lilianani Pineda expressed support for President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s initiative to strengthen the dam system along the Pampanga River to help mitigate flooding. National Irrigation Administration Administrator Eduardo Gillen said structures built directly within the river channel could help manage downstream water flow while avoiding complex right-of-way issues. Meanwhile, the Dizon Estate Homeowners Association is calling for accountability from developer St. Catherine Realty after a perimeter wall collapsed and triggered severe flooding in Phase 4, August 19. Homeowners Association President Chit Kalilong said residents had previously raised concerns over the structural integrity of the wall. Rescue operations and emergency measures were carried out after the flash flood affected residents in the area. Afternoon classes in all levels, both public and private, were suspended today, August 25, in the city of San Fernando and Mexico, Pampanga, due to heavy rains brought by the southwest monsoon or Habagat. Classes were also suspended in Angeles City, Arayat, Magalang, Porac, Santa Ana, and Sasmuan. Residents and schools are advised to continue monitoring official announcements from local authorities. An 8-month-old infant drowned after falling into an irrigation canal beside their home in Barangay San Isidro, Tarlac City. Police said the mother had briefly left the sleeping child to prepare milk. When she returned, the infant was already missing and was later found in the canal. Authorities are continuing their investigation into the incident. In other news, the Philippine National Police is warning the public against creating or sharing AI-generated images of civilians wearing police uniforms. The PNP said unauthorized use of police uniforms, including digital representations, may violate Article 179 of the Revised Penal Code or illegal use of uniforms or insignia. It may also carry heavier penalties under the Cybercrime Prevention Act. And lastly, the Department of Tourism Region 3 is strengthening culinary tourism in Central Luzon through its first-ever Chefs Forum on global gastronomy standards. Food and hospitality practitioners from Pampanga and Bulacan attended the forum to learn about Michelin-level standards, sustainable practices, and food branding. Among the industry speakers were Chef Mike Tatong Sartho and Chef Bruce Ricketts. And those are the top stories across Central Luzon. I'm DJ Tyra. Stay tuned to CLTV36 News for more updates.